Every used bus exported to Africa undergoes rigorous quality inspections to ensure the highest standards of quality. Paint, parts, and interfaces, any substandard item will result in rejection. The body, tires, and glass are designed for durability and safety, adaptable to complex road condition. Comfort and safety go hand in hand. Every component undergoes strict adjustments. Engine, wiring, and exhaust emissions strictly meet export standards, eliminating potential malfunctions. Road testing, brakes, steering, and power are tested to ensure stable operation under complex road condition. Rigorous quality control and meticulous attention to detail ensure that every bus carries trust and journeys to the world.